Engineer in here. I got a friend of ours car. I ran the code. It's like it's missing on 3, and so pull this out, and I think it's a 4-cylinder. So I believe this is the 3rd spark plug right there. And if you just take a quick glance, it looks like the boot is not all the way down on the plug. So hopefully that's it, and it's a quick fix. But it looks like it's something weird about the way that's sitting, so I'm gonna pull it out. Hands on that plug, and actually, now that I got it in the light, it's a crack in it. So that probably it was while I was reading Misfire. So I'm gonna put all 4 new ones in, see what you do. So I'm replacing spark plugs. You see, I put the anti-seize on it, and then I put the silicone on the boot part. So I'm just putting these in one at a time. I did number 3 first. That was the one with the plug with the actual crack in it. I'm gonna go ahead and do the others because they all the same age. So this number 1 was pretty much covered in oil. Yeah, I don't know what that means, but it was oil all over here, and this wasn't all the way in, so maybe that has something to do with it. But I'll go ahead and replace this one too.